Welcome guys, welcome back to Tracy channel. Today I'm going to make you a nice delicious carrot rice. The ingredients are few, but I promise they are spicy. I want you to stick around to see how am I going to make this carrot rice, the flavor I'm going to use, and I want you to see the end result. I promise you when I'm done you will want to make one too. To make the carrot rice, I have my carrot here. This is shredded. This is what it looked like, and I use a grater. I use this side to get this kind of shredded. You don't want to do it too small for it to have too much liquid, so it's best you have it in this kind of shredding. And here is the rice. The rice is shelly, not too soft, not too sticky. This is how we want our rice to be. To start our delicious carrot rice, first we have here 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm going to add 3 grated garlic. I'm going to add half a cup of celery. One teaspoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of ginger. We are going to add about half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a seasoned bouillon, chicken bouillon, I am going to add a tablespoon of my unique blended marinated seasoning. For this blended marinated seasoning, you can check the link below. It is blended with garlic, thyme, chives, and other flavor and spice. About 3 minutes later, I'm going to add 3 cups of shredded carrot. I'm going to mix everything right through. So this is the final result of our delicious looking carrot rice. It's very beautiful and it's tasty. I'm telling you, try this rice. And don't forget to subscribe and continue to watch my video to see how I do my pumpkin rice. My pumpkin rice is delicious also. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video. And don't forget to comment. Let me know how did yours came out. Thanks. Bye.